Welcome to this episode of Moonbats. I'm with Corey,
Hey-o.
and we're gonna see what's wrong with his wide glide. Everything. We're gonna do testing on it. So Corey's bike leaks everywhere. It just leaks. It's a Harley, so that's it does. We are going to. What are we doing, Corey?
Compression test first.
Compression test first? All right, we're gonna do a compression test and see if we can figure out what's going on with this thing. I know people are looking at it and they're like, oh my God, you're doing a compression test when it's cold. Yeah, well, we are. You're supposed to do it hot, we're gonna do it cold. That's just how it is. So we're gonna do a compression test and then we're gonna borrow Paul, who's over there. We're gonna borrow his leak down tester and we're gonna do a leak down tester so he can see if he needs a top end or if he can focus on fixing leaks. So let's see what we got. So we got a compression tester. This is the compression tester. The way these things work, for anyone who doesn't know, is you screw in this guy where your spark plug, this guy. This is a guy, where you go, right there. In your spark plug hole, you attach this guy into it and then you attach this thing onto here. You hold the throttle wide open and then you turn the engine over until these numbers go chunk, 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 until you where you're at. So we're gonna do a compression test. Corey, do you know what the numbers should be for this motor?
Nope, I'm gonna look it up.
Okay. There's the gauge plugged in. It's coming out. Boop, boop. It's right here. And then Corey is going to either kick or use his starter. What are you doing, Corey? Kicking or starting?
We'll kick it.
Kick it? So you don't need that on. All right, so kick it. And we got to kick it like a bunch of times. And see this go up?
Open this.
No, hold the throttle all the way open.
Can you use the electric start on doing that?
You can, yeah. You got to actually... There we go. It's going. You got up to 20. 30. 30. Oh, there you go. It's going up to 45. Keep going. 45.
This is where the heart pops.
Yeah. You're stuck at 40 here. Keep going. All right, so I have an idea.
Should we do electric?
Yeah. All right, so I disconnected both spark plugs so the bike doesn't start. Let's try the electric start and see if that helps, because that's at 40 PSI. Go. You have to turn it on.
The bike needs to be on.
There you go. 90, 110, 120. Throttle's open. Okay. All right, so we redid same thing with a booster pack on it and compression's at 130 cold. So I don't know what that means. It's fine.
Sounds good.
Great. Harley Davidson Fluffificer Evolution. 84 to 98 climbers, which are notoriously not reliable, but engine compression 90 psi. So you're supposed to do it hot, but we got 90 cold, so it's fine. All right, so I pulled the back plug. Here's what it looks like. Nice white tip on it, which is and whatever. I don't know how to read these plugs. They're so filthy. You definitely got some.
Right here.
Yeah, you got your white tip. I'll show you a white tip. And then we've got this one, cylinder leakage tester. So, we'll figure these out. We got tools here. We don't know how to use them. This is what happens when you borrow friends' tools. We'll figure it out. How you doing, Corey?
Good.
Good? We're gonna do this back cylinder again. All right, got the booster pack connected. Turning the bike on. And let's see the numbers. 1, 2, 3, go. Keep going. So this one's at 140. That's it. We're good. 140 cold. Yeah, there we go. So Corey, what do you think? I think it's fine. I think your compression is good.
Sounds good.
Sounds good.
Looks good.
And I'm sure people are gonna leave things in the comments being like, "Oh my God, should have done it hot." Blah blah blah. It's high. It's too low. It's full. Blah blah blah. It's fine. All right. So Corey's putting his bike into gear. Got the back wheel up in the air. Gotta find top dead center. So I'm gonna stick something in the cylinder while he turns the wheel and find top dead center on the compression stroke. So that way we can do a leak down test.
There we go. Oh,
Oh, ah.
I think that's final gear.
Final gear. You're gonna turn the motor over. I'm gonna sit here and eat.
Yeah.
Gross, it's greasy.
Let me know when it's coming back.
Go ahead. Oh yeah. Nothing. 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 There we go.
Yeah, I feel it.
Okay, stop. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay, go a little bit more.
Just watch it that it doesn't catch on the tank.
Yeah, I'm watching. Go ahead. Oh, now it went down. So go backwards a little.
I think
Okay, go down. Go down. Go down a little more. A little more. Up. Right there. Okay, that's it. Right there. So we've got it on compression. It's leaking here, so we're not going to be able to hear anything. But the way this works is we pull this little thing down, and then you bring it up to 100 psi, slow and steady. Viola. Keep going. Just keep going. Got to go all the way up, and then we'll see what the leakage looks like. Ah, there we go. Look at that. Beauty. Oh.
I think we just fucked up.
No, I think what it did is it moved your valve. It moved it out of top dead center.
Yeah.
Okay, I could feel the whole bike move, so I think it moved out of top dead center. So we're gonna check top dead center, and you can hear it coming out of the exhaust. I don't know if you can hear it, see it, but you can hear it. I have felt the whole bike move. So what we gotta do is we'll just bring it down so the wheel's on the ground. That way it can't roll. Because I think what happened is the pressure pushed the cylinder down.
Yeah, but if we just hold the wheel, because once we put it down, it might move it out of top dead center too.
Well, we'll just make sure it's still there when we put it down. But yeah, so this is why you're learning more. We're learning internet stuff, testing on it. So just so everyone knows what I'm doing here, I've got a screwdriver. Whoa, that went way down.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, go ahead. Well, let me make sure it's compression. Go ahead. No. Yeah, go. No, that's down. There you go. Now it's giving compression. So stop. Hold on. All right, he's turning the wheel, and I've got a screwdriver in here. Go ahead. Come up with it slow. Okay, keep going. Okay, stop. Slow down. Go ahead.
I just went over it again.
Yeah. No, you didn't. Go. You're good. Go.
Still coming up?
Wait. Go. Check. Nope. No. Yeah, it's going down.
I
Okay.
felt it
Up.
pass.
Okay. Up. All right.
So I'm gonna pass it again.
Okay. Go. There. You can see the screwdriver go down. Okay. Up. Up. Now it's down.
Yep. Okay. So
Up.
I'm gonna come back.
Yep. Go ahead. Oh shit. Okay. Go ahead. Okay. There. That's the sweet spot. It just went down.
It just
So
went
go
down.
back.
So yeah, we're right.
There. Stop. That's it.
Okay.
That's it. So now leave it there, and you're gonna lower the bike down so the wheel touches the ground.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna see if the screwdriver, just see what happens.
It itself wants to kind of turn over.
Yeah. So we'll see what happens. I can
So-
feel it on the screwdriver. So
So
just bring it down slow.
So if this jack doesn't go slow.
Doesn't do slow? Well, we'll try. That's good. All right. Cool. This didn't move. So
Let's try this again.
brought the wheel to the ground. Hopefully it's touching enough that it won't pop it out of place again. Let's try some pressure again. All our snacks. Corey's gonna hook it all back up again. And
Okay.
here we go. Connect the air.
Did we bring this all the way down before we?
We did not. So let's bring it down. There you go. That's good enough. Yeah. All right. So connecting the air. I wish that didn't leak, but whatever. Yeah, doesn't matter. So we'll bring it up and see what it says. Keep going. Yeah. Yeah. Keep going. Go to 100. Cylinder leakage. Whoa! Sick.
All right.
So I moved the whole bike. How do we do this? This is gonna be interesting. Huh. So we just spent like 3 minutes trying to figure out how to keep the back wheel from moving. And then we remembered this really fantastic thing that we have on motorcycles called brakes. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna squeeze the brake while we're doing the compression or the leak down test and see how it goes. Because it holds until the piston moves. So I guess that's why you do these tests, because they really put a lot of pressure on stuff, enough to move the motor, which makes sense. 100 psi, your motor's cranking at 90 psi, so duh. I'm gonna film myself in the mirror, in your mirror, and look at the camera. And Corey's putting in the. This is so stupid. Corey's putting in the the gauge again.
Again.
I'll have my foot on the brake. It's in gear. I'm gonna hold on to it, and here we go. We're gonna just make this happen. All right, Corey's cuddling close behind me. He's gonna put the bike down. We're gonna put it on the ground and the brake. Go ahead.
Oh, okay, it's
Go
on the
ahead.
ground.
It's on the ground.
Is it?
Yep.
I'm
It's
just gonna bring it up a bit so it's more stable.
it's stable.
I feel very stable.
It's fine. All right,
Okay.
here we go. So, turn the camera on. Connected. Lute all the pressure out of the gauge. The gauge. There we go. Done. Connect the gauge. I got my foot on the brake. Bike's on the ground. Connect the gauge. Pressure test. All right. Put it up. Let's see what we got. I got my foot on the brake.
Here we go.
I got squeezed on the brake like crazy. Okay. There we go. Nope. It shifted just enough, I guess.
Fuck, dude. Is it? Well,
Oh, keep going. Oh, it's trying to move the whole bike. Okay.
once we get to 70, we're moving.
Yeah, when it gets to 70, the whole bike tries to move. And I've got the brake, like, cramped. I don't know. So Corey's wedging stuff under the wheel. He's got a jack. He's got wood. I'm sitting on the bike. We couldn't get, we got it up to like 70 PSI, and basically what I decided, I don't know what Corey's deciding. I decided that means the valve's fine. So now we're gonna try the front cylinder. We got everything set up. Corey is gonna plug it all in. I'm sitting on the bike. This is way more work than I wanted to do. That's where we're at here. So let's do this. I gotta clean all my mess up over there, because I gotta start working on the shovel head soon, and I need to clean my mess, which I'll show you in a minute, I guess. All right, so we're gonna just do this here. Here we go. Putting in pressure. This is the front cylinder now. You putting pressure in? There we go. Is it gonna move the bike? Only time will tell.
The front brake?
I got the front brake. I got the back brake. I got the pressure on the seat. Where are we at? I can't see how much. There we go. All right. Where are we at? Keep going. He's got his foot under the thing.
My foot like in the fucking sprocket here.
All right.
That'll be good if it moves. Just
Yeah.
rip my foot off.
Yeah, that's good. Keep going. This is where it started to move last time. Keep going. All right, maybe this back cylinder is just loosey-goosey. There we go. 70, 80, 90. I hear it making noise. All right. 100. Here we go. Let's go. We got this.
Wow.
All right.
Look at that. Look at it. Real
Fucking
time.
A. So
Right
there, 100. Set.
Dude.
No leaking in the front. We're good.
Fucking A.
Done.
Okay.
Corey, how do you feel right now?
Better.
Good.
Wow.
All right, we redid the back one with a carpet, a jack, a piece of wood, Corey pulling on the back, and I was sitting on the bike with both brakes pushed, and they went up to 100 and it didn't leak. So the valves are good. So the motor's fine. So let's tell you why we were doing this. Corey's bike leaks everywhere. Like, look at all this mess. There. Leaks here. The front is really bad. It leaks like all back in here. It's a leaky fucking mess. So the whole idea was, what does Corey need to do to his bike this winter? So instead of being like, oh, well, I'm going to rebuild the whole top end and blah, 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 because that's what needs to happen. No, he's going to replace the rocker gaskets on the top, pull the primary, replace all those gaskets down there, and then he's going to have a perfectly brand new bike. Brand new. So, yeah, that's that. All right, so let's look what's going on over here. I got a mess of stuff going on. I'm building this shovel head eventually. I'm getting my space cleaned up here so that way I can build this in the next coming weeks. I needed to get some parts for my lathe, so I took this all apart. I'll show you what I was doing. I'm replacing this nut here, which feeds on this. And I'm gonna replace all these gears here because there's tons of backlash. So I want this lathe to be functional, and it works. I just gotta like make it work better. So there's a day in the dude hole doing stupid stuff. There's Corey. There's his wide glide. Everything's fine. Everything
fine.
works. Just some tuning to get his spark plugs looking good, and do some gasket replacement on a 40-year-old bike. Makes sense?
Yeah.
85, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's a 38-year-old bike. 37, 38. It's a baby. Like, subscribe. I don't know what the next video is going to be. Something, probably. Bye.